on Allah every moment, and wallahi, that humility is beloved to Allah. When a servant admits weakness before Him, when a servant cries sincerely, when a servant says, "Oh Allah, I cannot survive without you," Allah opens doors of mercy beyond imagination, because Allah loves broken hearts that return to Him sincerely. And maybe your brokenness right now is not punishment. Maybe it is invitation, an invitation back to Allah before it becomes too late. Before the soul reaches the throat, before the eyes stare at the world for the final time, before regret becomes heavier than mountains, return to Allah. Because wallahi, one day will come when you would give everything to come back for just one more sajda, one more sincere dua, one more tear of repentance, one more chance to say, "Oh Allah, forgive me." But the door that is open today will not remain open forever.